If you want your ads to automatically display the exact percentage discount for products on sale, here's how to do that in Marpipe. First, let's make sure you've filtered your design to only include products that have a sale price set. And now let's calculate the percentage off dynamically. We'll create a new text layer. Start by inserting the price field. This is your original price. And now we'll build the formula. Let's open the field settings here and convert it to a regular number format. Here's the calculation. We're gonna take the original price, subtract the sale price, and then divide that result by the original price. That gives us the discount as a decimal. Next, we'll multiply by 100 to convert it into a percentage. Finally, let's set the decimal places to 0 so it rounds cleanly. No messy decimals here. Now let's just add static text after the field. Percentage off. And that's it. Now you'll see something like 20% off, 35% off, and so on. And now as you start to shuffle between products, that percentage updates automatically. Instead of hard coding a generic sale badge, you're now showing the real discount for each SKU dynamically across all your SKUs. That makes your creative more transparent, more dynamic, and more compelling. That's how you build dynamic percentage off messaging in Marpipe.